If I'd have had these on, I wouldn't have this. Okay, luckily we got these. There's several tools here, splinter removal. We'll show you the others as time progresses and we have more injuries.
Yeah, one of those is a magnet, one is a loop. That's the loop end.
That is a loop that should grab this debris in my eye and pull it out. I've got to look in this mirror on the truck. Can you see it?
I can see it. There you go. Look at that.
Simple as can be. Chunk of wood. Never good when it's in your eye.
What he just used is the TnT First Aid Foreign Object Removal Tool Kit. We bought this from readyman.com, and I'm so glad we bought this because we always have this kind of stuff happen to us, and it's because we don't generally wear safety glasses like we should. Like he said, if he had been wearing those, he'd have been fine.
Probably.
Probably.
And that's a little nylon loop, and I just drug it across my eyeball and pulled that dirt right out. It's a little irritating, but I mean, you just got to be a big boy. It's better than a piece of wood in your eye.
Exactly.
And let's show you this other side while we're at it. That gets the debris out of your eye when you forget to wear your safety glasses. And when I'm drilling and I'm up above my head and a piece of metal gets in my eye, this is a magnet that will, it's round, it's not, it's got a point to it, but it's not pointed. It's more round than a pencil point would be, and you just put it in your eye wherever the metal's at. Hopefully that pulls it out if it hadn't already made its way in your eye. It's strong enough to hold itself out there.
So
it's pretty strong.
And then what else is in there?
And these things go inside of these inside of themselves like this to protect them from being all nasty, because like this here, if you get a splinter, it's got a tri-corner. So anyway, it's got a tri-corner. If you have a splinter, a lot of times when you're digging at it, if you just have a little needle or something, it doesn't really rip a wide enough hole. This one flat side against you, and it's kind of like a V shape. It just plows in and rips it. And you might say, well, I don't want to tear my hand open. Out here in construction, there's times I've had splinters a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch in my hand. One time I had one about an inch or so in my arm. So you might need to dig a little bit to get that out, unless you like going to the doctor. I just like working on myself. We got a pointed pair of tweezers for getting fine little splinters. You see them?
Oh yeah.
I mean, them things are like fine pointed. Got this nifty little piece of clear plastic I'm going to lose eventually.
It's also got a couple of alcohol wipes in there, so you can sterilize this stuff if you've used it recently or you want to let somebody else use it. You can.
Or if you have a bad enough wound that it warrants being concerned about.
Yeah.
Hold those, please.
Okay. And these are all quality German stainless steel. Really nice kit. I don't remember exactly how much it is, but I will put a link below to where we bought it, and you can see the prices. Excellent product to have in your first aid kit. Really a valuable addition. He's putting it up for me now.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed that close-up on Terry's eye, getting that stuff out. But
yeah, it's always
he had to wait a little bit for me to dig those out so that he could use them to dig it out of his eye.
Little FYI, if you don't have anything like this, sharpen your pencil, get all the dirt off of it, sharpen it real good, and then rub it on something to get all the loose lead or whatever fiber that is that they, or material, graphite, till it's nothing loose. Maybe rub it on your shirt or some piece of cloth and get it really clean, and slightly just drag whatever material, and it will pull it out of your eye. This is probably a lot safer, but I've gotten 100 things out of my eye.
The pencil method was our prehistoric. Yeah, the pencil method was our prehistoric method prior to finding this kit.
Gets the job done.
Definitely a worthwhile investment.
Yep.
Have a good one, guys.
See ya.